Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So the first parking lot sale of 2026 is going to start on Monday for ITC members. So right there, Monday, January 12th. And then for everybody starting Friday, January 16th, and going all the way through the 19th. So I just wanted to kind of go over some of the sales that they're having and actually show you some of the products in real life here and see, give you a little bit of recommendations on kind of what I like, what I don't like, what to avoid, things like that. So start off with the video, like I kind of always say with these sales. Most things in the yellow are pretty much skipped for me just because they're deals that they have almost every single week or month, and a lot of the stuff isn't that great of a deal, although there are a couple of notable standouts which I'll point out as we're kind of going along. And the second thing I kind of always say on these videos is anything $20 or less, if it's not at least 30% off, usually I'll skip it for this deal unless it's something that I really want, because Harbor Freight's constantly doing 30% off of 20 or less. So let's go ahead and kind of get started here. So the one notable sale kind of up here so far is the 50% off of the gloves. These are kind of great gloves to get, and this is the time to stock up on them if you really need them. So that's something I would definitely look at. Now, the ones you guys are probably going to be the most, excited about are going to be the percent off sales. These are usually kind of their best deals. So, these three right here, I don't really have much to show you guys on them, but we got, jump starters, we got welders, we got, painting accessories and things like that. But then skipping over here to all the Maddox products. So Maddox, does make, a couple really cool products. This one right here just basically says, off all auto shop tools, equipment, and diagnostics. So I'm not sure exactly, what's included and what is not included, but if it happens to be included, one thing that I would look at is this Maddox set right here. It's basically a trim tool set that's made of plastic, so you're not going to mar up anything on the inside of a car. It does come with one metal handle as well in there. So something to kind of keep in mind if it is included in the sale, because I think for 35% off, it is a great thing to get. But I think the one that most of you guys are going to be most excited about is going to be this 30% off of all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets. So again, we don't have clarification yet. I did try to check once again before I made this video to see if they have the ad online where it's kind of clickable. I wasn't able to find it yet. But when it comes to hammers and pry bars, it's pretty simple. They have a bunch of different dead blow hammers. They have the regular dead blow. They have the dead blow ball peen hammers as well. They all come in 16, 24, 32, and then I believe the ball peen goes up to 40, and then the non-ball peen dead blow goes up to 48. So it's kind of a good time to get it. This guy just was recently released, this 40 ounce. I haven't even had a chance to use this guy yet, but I do love this guy. This is kind of one of my go-to hammers when I need to do something. So for 30% off, I think those are going to be a pretty good deal and probably going to sell out relatively quickly at the store. And then the other sets right here basically say hex key sets. So again, they don't specify exactly what's included, but I'm assuming the sets like these guys are going to be included. They have that kind of multicolor set and the black sets. Really, the only difference that I've ever found between these guys is the length of them, because they both have the ball end on there and then the straight end right here. And obviously these ones are a little bit easier to identify than the other ones, but they both seem to have the same exact sizes and all that kind of stuff, and they're the same price. So kind of pick your poison when it comes to that one. And then they also have the set that looks like the one that's in the picture, which is going to be something like this, where it comes with the T-handles, and it has, the Allen key right here, and then it has it on the very bottom. This is the metric version. There's also the SAE version, but then there's also a Torx set that looks exactly like this. So, hopefully they're going to include that as well. But if not, then the other two I think are a great option. One kind of note, when I first got the G2 ratchets from Icon, I was trying to use some just regular Allen keys and they kept failing, and I actually used, one of these guys, right here from Icon, and it actually happened to work really well, and was able to get it apart because they use a little bit too much, Loctite on those guys. And then the last part of it is they say pry bars. However, to my knowledge, Icon only makes one pry bar, which is this big, beast of a pry bar. It's the 56-inch pry bar that usually retails for right around $100. So if you guys want that thing for, you know, for 70, it is one of their few made in the USA products, as it says right there. So something to keep in mind if you guys are looking for a massive pry bar. For kind of what I work on, you know, that thing does not really get any light of day, but I bought it because I thought it was pretty cool. Next up, you know, you can see kind of these deals right here, but I'm going to kind of skip straight to this Daytona right here for $129. It looks like the retail price keeps kind of going up on these guys. I remember last year, I think it was, you know, $169 or $179, and it always went on sale for $99. $129, not a bad deal for this guy. I actually have it. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it right, hiding right over there. And it's a great little, you know, jack to have in your garage if you need something. I've actually found it's not only useful for just, you know, getting your car or SUV up, but it actually works well on things like I was able to get my side locker, you know, right here. I was a one-man team and I had to kind of elevate it, just put a piece of wood on it, and that worked as well. Moving on, you know, I kind of said in my last video, we don't see a lot of Icon toolboxes on sale, so I'm wondering if we're going to start seeing more of that now that we've heard about the G2 storage coming out. Although it's probably going to be about a year or so before we see that. And then next up, I'm kind of pretty much gloss over everything here in yellow, like I've mentioned before. Actually, let's look at one thing. We're good to go. Okay, sorry about that, guys. All right, next page. Same thing here, you know, stuff in the yellow. Overall, I'm going to kind of gloss over one. Then when I see something like 47% off, usually that's going to catch my attention. However, one note about this, and actually it was just there, I think it was the last weekend or the weekend before, they were giving these things out for free. So, you know, even though it's 47% off, if you guys are patient and don't need it right now, a lot of times you can get that thing for free with another purchase. This Yukon toolbox, $299. Anytime it's sub 300, I think it's a pretty good deal. I literally was at Harbor Freight earlier today picking up the third one of these that I've purchased for my business. And these things, you know, treat us very well. I don't think you can find a better deal for what you're kind of getting, especially because it has that nice wood surface to work on. You know, I've looked at the Husky and the Cobalt and all the other ones, and I think for the $299 price, you're not going to be able to beat that. And then there's the one drawer cart right here that comes in 8 different colors. It's kind of hiding right behind my other tool cart, if you guys can kind of see it right here. It's a great little guy just to, you know, work on small projects, kind of, you know, move around the garage, stuff like that. And if you guys are professionals, it's probably a nice one just to have as well, that you can just put the tools that you're using that day. They have the 72 right here. Personally, I think the 56 inches is their better deal, but hey, you know, if you're looking for a big toolbox, $400 off, not that bad. Speaking of jacks like the Daytona before, this one, you know, I owned for a little while. Honestly, it was almost identical to the Daytona that I have right now. For $100, you know, saving $30 over the other one. If you don't care about color, this is not a bad one to get. And then same thing with the jacks right here. Sometimes they'll go on sale for a little bit cheaper than that, but, you know, not significantly so. I'm going to gloss over a few of these deals, but you guys can kind of see them if you want them. You know, these lights right here, this one I actually might go and pick one of these up. I have with the brawn version of these, the green one, which I really like. This one is 2100 lumens, so, you know, quite a bit brighter. For $34.99 doesn't seem like a bad deal. We got this guy right here. You know, I've made a video about this one. I personally, you know, and I got some hate on this, don't like this guy. You know, I bought this back when it was on sale before. I just think it's just really big and bulky kind of for what you're getting. Although, you know, it does have a few features that if you guys use, I personally don't. But, you know, if you guys are working in a body shop and you need natural light, it has the natural light. If you are looking for leaks, it has a UV inspection. So those two don't really do much for me. Personally, I prefer the ones that are actually currently on sale, at least as of this video right now. These things are 25% off right now, and I believe selling for $29.99, and those come in 4 different colors. So that's just kind of my 2 cents when it comes to that. Again, we're kind of going to go over some of these deals right here. And then, you know, if you need a heat gun, not a bad heat gun. I do have this. I break it out every once in a while. And what else we got going on here? Let's continue on. So now they have the this set. This actually, of the yellow deals, I think this is actually not a bad one. This wobble extension set, I'm going to grab just a few of them here. I've bought these a couple of times before, and, you know, one thing I like about them is I've kind of set them up in those, you know, mechanic sets that you can buy, where it's like, you know, 200-300 pieces for about $100, but they're usually woefully low on extensions, and especially wobble extensions. And I like the wobble extension. If you guys don't know, it gives you, a few degrees of movement either way. So you sometimes, if you can just not quite get to something, just having that little bit of extra movement gets you there. And for $10, I don't think it is a bad deal. Sorry, let me just move these out of the way. Sorry if that is loud. And then these guys, I mean, 66% off. These things are usually on sale for around $2 as well. Same thing, these are usually $1. Let's move on down. A lot of kind of generators and welding accessories that I'm kind of skip, but you guys can see the deals if you really want them there. And then where are we going to go to? We're going to go to, I think it's going to be the next page. This magnet, the 18, I personally have never had really good luck with their magnets there. I've bought many of them, and those always end up breaking on me. So, your mileage may vary on that, but for me personally, I'm kind of done buying those telescoping magnets from Harbor Freight. Speaking of kind of those wobble extensions, this is another kind of a piece of that I really like. And this is another thing that I'll kind of toss in almost every go bag and in every mechanics set that I have. For $3, you're able to just kind of set it up like that, and you have basically every adapter that you're going to need from 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, and you'll be able to use pretty much every socket on every ratchet that you have if you need to. So it's good when you're limited on your selection. And then a couple of last decent deals here on this yellows section. These cutoff wheels, whenever they're on sale, I tend to stock up on them. These things are great. I buy these for the business in packs. My guys, kind of go through these. They use these to cut gutter material. Works really well. And then same thing with these guys. Whenever they're on sale, a lot of times they'll drop down to $9.99 or $9.98, and I'll pick up a few of those. Not the greatest drill bits in the world, but for the price, having kind of that robust selection, you're pretty much able to drill in whatever you want, and I find them pretty much kind of disposable. And then moving on down, this table saw, I have this guy as well. Definitely, comes in handy. It's a smaller one if you guys, are just kind of a home gamer and don't need a ton of space on a table saw. Great little guy to have. And then moving down here, this for the Bauer section, this one for $30 for a 3-amp battery. Not a bad deal. Again, sometimes you'll be able to get the 5-amp for around the same price during certain deals, but if you guys are looking for it, I use a lot of Bauer stuff for my work or my business as well, and sometimes I will stock up on those just to have them because they go through batteries quite a bit. Air compressors, if you guys still use that is still there. And then same thing on the bottom here, nothing really to write home about. So let's kind of take this all the way back to the beginning. Sorry, this video is a little bit longer than my normal videos. But again, I think kind of their best deal, and the one that you guys are probably going to be most excited about, is going to be this guy. And my guess is the 40-ounce ball peen hammer is the one that's going to be gone quickly. I believe this one retails for $64.99. So getting 30% off of that is not a bad deal whatsoever. So, tell me in the comments, what are you guys planning on picking up? Is this sale kind of something that's going to get you up at, at 8 a.m. in front of their door, or you're going to kind of skip this one? For me, honestly, a lot of stuff that I would want, I already have. And the only thing that really kind of catches my eye is that one icon light that I may or may not go in and get. Probably if I'm there, I'll get it. So again, leave your comments down below. Please like and subscribe.